Hello children, hope you all are doing good and as you are heading towards your half-yearly exams, so I hope your preparation is also going well. So today we will do chapter 7 of your grammar book, that is present continuous and past continuous. So children, let's have a look. So let us see what is present continuous. When a verb describes an action that is continuing for some time, it is said to be in the continuous form. For example, it is snowing outside now. It is a present continuous. And here we have to use be plus verb plus ing. That is snowing is present continuous. My sister is watching TV. Here also be plus verb plus ing. We will write is watching is present continuous. So children, we will use in different forms this present continuous tense in different forms, like to talk about a fixed plan in the near future. How we can put the present continuous in this type of sentences? Let's have a look. My father is going to Hyderabad tomorrow. That means my father he has decided to go to Hyderabad tomorrow. He has planned it. Okay, but it is future. He has fixed the plan for his future. That is tomorrow. So the same thing will apply for the past continuous also. The continuous form can be also used in the past tense. The past continuous is used for actions which are going on at a particular time in the past. That is already done. For example, I was singing. See children, here we have written singing, but in place of is we have used was, because was is used for the past tense. Because I was singing, that means I was singing in the past. Understood? Here no timing is mentioned. That means there is no timing given for the particular action. My next one, my mother was washing her hair. Here also no timing is mentioned, but the action has been mentioned here. Number 2, when action 1 began and was going on before action 2 in the past. Let's see examples. That is, I was singing. It is action 1. When it began to rain, it is action 2. That means these two are verbs only, singing and rain. These two are verbs. So the first action 1 is I was singing, it is action 1, and when it began to rain is action 2. Here we will see that when action 1 began, like I was singing, like I have already started singing, and that time rain began. Okay, when action 1 began and it was going on before action 2 in the past. Before the rain began, I started singing. So it is mentioned here. So I was reading a book when the telephone rang. Action 1 is I was reading a book, but afterward what happened? In action 2, the telephone rang. Okay. So in the past tense, the continuous form of the verb will also change. You have to keep in mind. Like is will change to was. Okay. And if it is singular, like is eating, it is present continuous. But if it is plural, it will change to are eating. Is eating, present continuous singular. Are eating, it is plural. Present continuous but plural. Then was eating. Was eating is past continuous, but it is singular. But when it will change to plural form, it will change, was will change to were eating. Okay. So children, you have to learn these things. You have to practice more. So children, I hope you all have understood. And if you have any doubt, you can clear it up by calling me anytime. Till then, goodbye.